So what's going on, everyone? Today's going to be a video for Hedera Hashgraph. You guys can see that there is a price prediction on our chart to which we were looking for the market in HBAR to go up. It didn't. The market came to our ultimate TP price today at 18.39%. The price prediction was produced on the 24th of June, so it took that long for the market in HBAR to run 18%. Now, that's done. That's over. What's going to happen next? We're going to try to break that down. So welcome to the channel. Hit that like, share, and subscribe for more videos and content. We're here to ensure that you just get the needed information regarding where people think the market is headed in the cryptocurrency space. So let's go ahead and get rid of this prediction here first. And we will also clean up the chart because the buyers has done an excellent job at moving price. First of all, when we created that price prediction, we identified that the area in HBAR was in a downtrend, right? So when we did our price prediction, the market was trading right here at this downtrend line. And 2 days after that, the market did follow that trend. But then on the 27th of June, this is where the buyers initiated their campaign. This is where they became active. This is where they began buying the cryptocurrency. And ever since then, they've been moving the market up. Okay. So let's go ahead and get rid of this downtrend line, or we can actually revise it to looking at HBAR doing an uptrend. Okay. So generally speaking, price is above the line. Cool. We're going to look for the market to continue to go up then. You know, the very broad overlook of the cryptocurrency space, HBAR. As long as price stays above that line, you don't have anything to worry about. Price is going to go up. Okay. Now look at where price is right now, though. We're hitting a sell pocket. The last time the market in HBAR saw price at 17, almost 18 cents. Look what happened. That was back in June the 12th, June the 10th. The market reacted and it went down. So we're knocking on that door again. The buyers are knocking on the door of the sellers like, look, we're coming in. We're about to take this price. We're about to take over. We want control. But will the sellers actually fight back? Will they hit back to where price will retreat just like it did on the 12th and the 11th of June? Let's see. So let's get rid of this sell pocket here and this one. Okay. Now we might actually need to create this area right here as a buy pocket for HBAR. Now let's look at this on the 2 real quick. Okay, so this is the market in HBAR on the 2. It doesn't look bad at all. Currently the strength is definitely in favor of the buyers and not the sellers. Here it is on the 3. We have one more day and 14 hours before this current 3-day price bar prints, before it finishes, and it still looks pretty bullish there too. The only thing that I can say outside of these different time frames still looking bullish is that I want you all to be aware that we're trading at a sell pocket. Okay, so do not forget that, because if you get that reaction of weakness and selling, you don't want to be caught off guard. I mean, we're there now. Okay. So let's go ahead and look at this on the 4. We have a day and 14 hours on the 4 as well. Market is giving us a very healthy spread move to the upside, and price is currently closing at the high of the bar. Here it is on the 5. Take a look at HBAR on the weekly. Here it is on the 2 weeks. The 2 weeks probably emphasizes how strong the market is currently in favor of the buyers, because off of this prior 2-weekly price bar, the market did not react. It did not go back down. Instead, the market in HBAR went up the next 2 weeks, indicating that buyers were there. So we might just see the market top out, at the high of this 2-weekly price bar. I'm just saying, just give you guys a heads up. Next 10 days, 14 hours, don't be surprised if that happens. Here it is on the 3 weeks. I do like the 3 weeks too, because like I said, we're just not getting that follow through or that continuation of selling. You're supposed to see a continuation of selling following this 3-weekly price bar, but instead the market is reversing and it's coming right back up to where it started 3 weeks ago. So again, this market definitely is in favor of the buyers at the moment. Okay, let's look at this on the 5-hour chart. Doesn't look bad there. Here is HBAR on the 3-hour, HBAR on the 1. Let's go ahead and create this area right here as a pocket. This is another important area of buying right now in HBAR. And here's another one right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and look for the price in HBAR to trend up. We're going to try to target these two pockets right here. We're going to try to target, first of all, the high of this first sell pocket, because we know that there's a chance that the market can go down. We're hitting this sell pocket right now. So in fact, that's what I'm looking forward to, is for the market to react that way. But generally speaking, when we look at this on the longer term, that may not even happen. So we're going to target that first price of like 18, almost 18.5 cents, 3.37% there. Our second target is going to be at the low of this next pocket of selling, almost around 19 cents. That's 5.85%. And then at the high of the sell pocket, which is about 9% there, around 19.5%. Okay, so that is it. We're finished. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Let me know if you guys think the market HBAR is going to break through these two sell pockets to eventually to try to run to 21, because if so, this market is very, very strong. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.